I haven't installed a lace wig in a while. I think the last time I installed a lace wig was around May last year. And mind you, 2022 and 2021, I was wearing lace wigs religiously. Almost every day I was wearing lace wigs. So let's see how it goes. Pray for me. Pray for me. To make things easy, I'm going to be installing a teapot wig. It's a teapot wig, so it's much easier. And I'm also going to be doing a glueless install. Let's see if I still remember what to do. Okay, so first thing I'm going to put on the stocking cap. Okay, this is the wig. Let's just put it on and let's see. Oh. Okay, this is how the wig looks. In this bottle, all I have is water and some conditioner, no more conditioner. I'm just gonna spray it all over the hair. Okay, adding some mousse. And I'm gonna take little sections and twirl it up. Alright, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna do this for the whole hair. Seems like I feel like I'm gonna be here forever. Alright, so 2 hours later, I decided to do it on a mannequin head and I let it air dry in the sun. This is where we are at. Okay. The wig cap is small, I'm not gonna lie, this wig cap is freaking small and I made this wig myself, so I think at that time I didn't have hair. Let me do this. Let me use some of this mousse. I know this mousse has a lot of hold and I'm just gonna haphazardly apply it to the hairline, like haphazardly. Like when I say haphazardly, I literally mean haphazardly. Apply it to the hairline and just smooth it in like this. And then I'm just gonna tie it down, do my makeup, come back and let's assess the situation. Let's see what we are working with. Okay, so I'm just gonna shift the wig down a bit. I'm just using an edge brush to brush that out. I'm not fluffing it out, I'm just using this wide tooth comb to add some volume. I'm gonna add powder to the center just to define that part just a bit more.
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Not too bad for someone who hasn't installed a lace wig in about 10 months. If you want to see the tutorial for the face, the video is either up or it will be up soon. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.